Hey, this is Dustin from Golden Rule. If you want to keep your home comfortable and your furnace humidifier running efficiently, changing the humidifier pad is a must. In this quick video, I'll show you how to swap out the old pad in just a few easy steps. Let's get started. First things first, safety is key. Turn off the power to your furnace before working on it. This prevents any electrical hazards while you're making the switch. Next, find your humidifier. It's usually mounted on the side of your furnace. You'll see a panel that needs to be removed to access the pad. Carefully remove the cover. Inside you'll see the humidifier pad. It might be held in place by a frame or clip. Just slide it out gently. If it looks clogged or covered in mineral deposits, it's definitely time for a replacement. Now grab your new humidifier pad. Make sure it's facing the right direction. Most have a label indicating airflow. Slide it back into place, ensuring it sits securely. Once the new pad is in, reattach the cover and secure it properly. Then turn the power back on and check everything is running smoothly. And that's it. A simple maintenance task that helps keep your home humidity levels in check and your HVAC system running efficiently. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more home maintenance tips. If you ever need help or would rather leave it to the pros, Golden Rule is always there to help you. Give us a call and visit our website. We're happy to help keep your home comfortable year-round.